Before replacing the battery on your SimpliSafe Base Station, make sure you have a small hex screwdriver ready. Unplug the power cable from the bottom of the base station. Next, use your hex screwdriver to remove the screw underneath.
Warning. Power outage. Base station on backup battery.
And carefully lift off the bottom cap. Inside, you'll see 4 batteries. Go ahead and replace them with fresh ones. Make sure they're aligned properly with the positive and negative ends. Once the new batteries are in, screw the bolt back in place and reattach the bottom cap.
Warning. Power outage. Base station on backup battery.
Plug the power cable back into the base station just as before. And that's it. Your SimpliSafe Base Station is powered up and ready to go.